Good morning. It is an outstanding privilege to have such clients as I am having because they are really challenging you. In the end, I am paid to make someone really successful in what they are doing. And it is really interesting when you are becoming challenged, when questions are asked for which it is difficult to find a clear answer, an immediate answer. But this is actually what I am loving, that sometimes questions are coming in that are immediately having an impact and questioning everything we are doing in the artistic world, because an easy question can bring forward a complex thinking and evaluate in your life what is important and what is not. And the question was very simple: what is the key to become a successful artist? And it is an easy question. Perhaps you have asked yourself this question, but the answer is not so easy, and perhaps there are thousands of possible perspective to see what is actually a successful artist. Is it coming down to success of money and so on? And these are all valid answers, and I want to take today the time to think about what I have observed during my time, what is making artists successful, because during my life I have met a lot of artists and even successful artists. And I think when you are an artist and you are asking this question, what is a successful artist? It is a question all about your perspective and you as an artist to make you successful. And the word artist includes the word art, so it must be something that is producing outstanding artworks. And when you are seeing this from this point of view, as an artist, to be successful is to produce an art that is the best art that you can produce, an art that you will feel is a success, is then much easier to answer. And from this point of view, I want to give the perspective on this question, and I think it will be of value to you to stick through the answer, even if my ideas right now are a little bit scattered and I'm collecting right now everything to give my client the best possible answer. Most likely in the comments down below you will find a link that will immediately give you much more value than me just thinking out loud, because right now I'm thinking that nevertheless to be authentic and your original thinking is the one thing that will create greatness. Your own rules that you are developing, your own mechanics, your own methods are the guidelines to foster your originality. The way you are developing your art, you working on your art, is nevertheless a kind of rule book, how you are thinking, how you are setting the course for you, the best art you can produce. So by enhancing your creativity, giving your creativity chance to flourish, you are following through to these original ideas that will bring the best art forward. In this way you are unleashing your potential, and you can give yourself the opportunity to develop a lot of ideas, really first to set on the quantity, and in this quantity with time you will pick the quality, and then you are ready to share your best ideas with the world, and you are seeing how they are reacting to this. And this is also boosting your own creativity, because you are seeing that these seeds that you are sowing, they are beginning to flourish. And all you have to do is not to just wait for the people that are just bootlickers and they want to give you a nice feeling about your art. But when you're taking care about surrounding yourself with people that are questioning you, that are not afraid of confronting you, they are helping you actually to find the best pieces in your art that is making your art outstanding. And these opinions on this valid criticism that is coming in, you can with time grow a better art. And all you need to do this is to make your ideas accessible, to get the support, to get the right critics. And it is all about giving the people out there something that they are also searching. Like you are searching something in your art and your ideas. There are people out there who are not artists, but they are searching the same things. And these people will automatically be magnetic to your art and will support your art. And by embracing these original ideas of you, you are giving yourself the chance to give the best out of you. Perhaps it is all about in the beginning of a searching, but without you trying to find your original ideas, you will not come to the significant artworks that will make you in the end successful. Of course, there's always this fear, and there's a balance between you and your original ideas and the fear of being rejected. And in the beginning, it is wise to have this fear, because bad critics or people that really want to hurt you can destroy this very delicate process of opening yourself up to these original ideas. But nevertheless, with time, you will find the best people who are not rejecting you, but giving you constructive criticism, and they are supporting you with their opinion, and with time, with their money. And you don't have to fear it. You have the right as an artist to challenge the status quo, to develop new innovation, to bring something new forward. And no one will judge you for, as an artist, for trying something completely different. Your choices indicate wherever you are, the choices, what you are producing every day as an artist is showing already if you are becoming original or not, if you are becoming something that will stand out, or you are just copying something to be liked. And I think the social media, with this liking mentality that artists want to produce something to be liked, is something that is, I think, very toxic for your originality, for your significance. I think to give yourself to be brave enough to open yourself to your originality and support it with the necessary skills, and to support it with the right kind of people that are there for you, for your art, not as someone that's just liking your art, but is giving you a valid feedback, I think is one of the most important keys to successful art. These are just my ideas, and perhaps it is a different point of view to success and art, but I hope you are finding this interesting. Down below in the description you will find a link that will give you much more value than me just thinking out loud. And I also will sit down today and boil all this idea down, so my client is getting the best formula for his own success. And I also hope that you can today find the time to sit down and to think about you, originality, what is making your art special, and what in the end will make your art significant and in the end successful. So I hope you will put time today, some hours, to think about your artistic success, and I also hope to see you in my next video. Until then, see you soon. Bye bye.